Friends, I am Prabal Chakraborty. Today I want to discuss group theory based on Silo theorem, permutation group and gate questions. So friends, we know that permutation group I will discuss. Suppose F is a permutation group A1, A2, A2 AN and B1, B2, Bn, and this is a permutation group. So friends, must remember permutation group are can be written Sn. Sn is one kind of permutation group. Okay, Sn, and permutation group, order of the permutation group is also I can write n factorial. Alternating permutation group, alternating permutation group is equal to an is equal to n factorial divided by 2. So friends, order of the an is equal to n factorial by 2. Alternative permutation group can be written as an. Okay, I hope you everybody can understand. And Sn is n factorial, alternative permutation group a mod of n factorial divided by 2. And friends, F is a permutation and G is also can be written B1, B2 up to Bn, and C1 and C2 Cn. So friends, when we will product these two permutation group, must remember F compose G is A1, A2, An, B1, B2, Bn, and I can write this B1, B2 up to Bn, C1, C2 Cn, A1, A2 An, and C1, C2 Cn. So friends, F compose G can be written this way. Now one of the example, even and odd permutations. Okay, I want to say even and odd permutations. Even odd permutation. Even and odd permutations. Suppose F is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it can be written 2, 4, 4, 5, 1, 3, 6. Okay friends, and now you can see S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 S, and S can be written this permutation can be written this way, means 1, 2, 2, 4, 2, 3, 4, 4, 6 is equal to S, and F is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and F can be written as, friends must remember, 1, 2, 2, 4. Okay, 4, 1. So I can write it 1, 2, 4 and 3, 5. Okay, and now 1, 2, 4 can be written 1, 2 and 1, 4 and 3, 5. Now one of the questions is asking that how 1, 2, 4 can be written 1, 2 and 1, 4. Yeah, this is the one of the questions. Yeah, that if there is one of the questions that how it can be written. So friends, I will see that how 1, 2, 4 means 1, 2, 4 means 1, 2, 2, 1 and 4, 1. Okay, 1, 2, and after that I can write this, and 1, 2, this is the LHS, and 1, 2 can be written 1, 2, 2, 1. Okay, and 1, 4 can be written 1, 4, 4 1, and 1 2 can be written 1 2 2 1 4 4, and 1 4 4 1 2 2. This way I can write. Okay, now you see the last line is 2 1 4. Okay, it should be changed. I will write this way: 1 2 4. Yeah, 1 2 4 2 1 4, and I will write 2 1 4. 2 means 2 and 1 means 4 and 4 means 1, so it will be 1 2 4 and 2 4 sorry 1 comma 2 and 1 comma 4. It can be written 1 comma 4 4 comma 1 2 comma 2. 2 means 2, 1 means 1, and 4 means 1. Yeah, this way I can write. So it will come this way: 1 2 2 4 2 4 and 4 1. So LHS is equal to RHS. So I get LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, this is the main. That's why I teach this way: B1 B2 BN arrangement, B1 B2 BN. This way you can arrange. Now friends, another questions is coming, that number of permutation conjugate. The number of permutation conjugate to the permutation 1 6 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 2 6 7 7 1 8 9 and 9 8. Okay, now you will see that solutions. I am going to solutions. So friends, look at this: 1 2 3 1 6 6 7 7 1. So I get one group 1 6 6 7 and 7 1. I can write this. Okay, and another way I can write let's see: 2 3 3 4 4 5 4 5 and 5 2. So it is another group: 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 2, and another group is 8 9 and 9 8. This is the two groups. 3 groups I get, and I can write this way: 1 6 7 and 2 3 4 5 and 8 9. This way I can write. This is my partitions, friends. And now you will see that total number of element is 9 factorial. I can write 9 factorial, and my first number is 3. So this is the 3 to the power 1 into 1 factorial, and this is 4 to the power 1 and 1 factorial, and this is 2 to the power 1 1 factorial. Whatever I get, 9 factorial into 3 into 4 into 2, and I get whatever I get 15120. This is the values, because the 3 factorial will cut. 9 factorial means 9 into 6, 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 is nothing. 4 factorial 432. Okay, this is the I get this value, and this value is multiplication 15120. Hi friends, again I will discuss that to find the number of element of specified order in Sn. These are very, very important. So I write, this is partition, another is size of conjugations, size of conjugations, conjugation class. Another is LCM of order. Okay, LCM of order. Now you see that now I discuss group S3 group. My group is S3. So friends, we know that S3 means Sn means order of Sn is equal to n factorial. So order of S3 is equal to 3 factorial. So possible partition is 3 plus 0. Okay, the size of conjugations means I find out that in case of 9 element and here 3 element, so 3 factorial, and number of 3 is only 1, so it is a 3 element partition, 3 to the power 1, and another is 1 factorial. So friends, whatever I get 2, and LCM of order is equal to 3. And another partition is 2 plus 1. I can write 3 is equal to 2 plus 1. So must remember 3 factorial I can write, and 2 to the power, what is the 2 to the power 1, and 2 to the power 1 into 1 factorial, because number of 2 is 1, and into 1 to the power 1 into 1 factorial, number of 1, so it is 3, and it is LCM of 2 plus 1 is equal to 2, and after that I can write 1 plus 1, so must remember 3 factorial, and number of the 1 is 1 cube, okay, and number divided by 3 factorial, so it is 1. LCM of order means 1 this case. So friends, how do we learn? We learn that when in the case of Sn, whatever we get in the case of Sn means n factorial, and partition, size of conjugations where is I think that it is k equals to 1 to n, means my partition is k equals to 1 to n, so I can write k equals to 1 to n, and k into ck is number of times ck, number of the class width, and ck factorials means number of ck. Similarly I used also in here. Have you understood? I think everybody can understand. And S4, in case of S4 means 4 plus 0. So friends, in here also number of term is 4 see that n factorial means in here n is equal to 4, so it is 4 factorial, and number of term is 4 to the power 1 and 1 factorial, so it will come 3 factorial. 3 factorial means 6, it will come 6, and or LCM of order is 4. And number of size of conjugations. Okay, this is the permutation group. I discuss permutation group. This is very, very important because a lot of questions is coming from this concept in CSR, NET, GATE and TIFR and NBHM, from NBHM. And number 1, number 3 plus 1, I can write number 4 factorial, and after that number of times of the 3 means 3 to the power 1, and number of 1 is into 1 to the power 1 into 1 factorial and 1 factorial both side, and I will write this is I can write 4 into 2 is equal to 8, and LCM of this 3. And another way I can write 2 plus 1 plus 1, so it will come 4 factorial, and number of 2 is 2 to the power 1 into 1 factorial and 1 to the power 2 into 2 factorial, because number of 1 is 2. So that 1 square to the power 2 to the power CK. This is called my CK. In here I also tell that it is CK. Okay, CK means in here when the 1 in place of 2 plus 1 plus 1, where is 4 is equal to, so 4 means n factorial, so 4 factorial this is, and in here divide by CK means k for in here 1 to the power 2. CK is in case of CK is 2, and k is equal to in here 1. Similarly I just discuss in here also 2 to the power 1 into 1 factorial into 1 square, so whatever I get 4 factorial divided by 4, so my answer is coming 6. When I get 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, then it is 4 factorial and 1 to the power 1 into 4 factorial, so I can get the answer is 1. So, and order is also 2, and order is also in here case 1. So friends, I discuss S3 and S4 and how many way I can partition and size of conjugation of class and LCM of order. How can I get LCM of order? So friends, I hope everybody can understand whatever I want to teach. Next, again I am coming, and again I am one of the questions based on Silo theorem, because I want to say that I will also discuss Silo theorems based on Silo theorem questions. So you will see that one of the questions that prove that a group of order 45 is abelian. A group of order 45 is abelian. So friends, whatever we know Silo third theorem, this question is based on Silo third theorem. Okay, I will discuss because this is very, very important. Let order of G is equal to 45, and since 45 I can write this way 3 square into 5. Okay, and then G has a 3 silo subgroup of H and of H of order 9, and silo subgroup or order 9, and 5 silo subgroup K of order 5. Let H have n conjugate then n is equal to 1 plus 3k according to the Silo third theorem, friends. I discussed the number of the Silo subgroups is n is equal to 1 plus 3k. So friends, you will see that 1 plus 3k can be divisible by 5, and when k equals to 0, then it is divisible. Otherwise it is not divisible. So friends, number of Silo subgroups is unique, and when Silo subgroups is unique, must remember this is normal subgroup. Then this subgroup is normal subgroup. When Silo subgroup is unique, then this is called normal subgroup. Must remember, friends, very very important. This is so that's why when k equals to 0, so similarly 3 Silo subgroups I get of H, means that means H is normal subgroup. And another way I will prove that let k be a 5 Silo subgroup, and 1 plus 5k divisible by 3, and it is possible only k equals to 0, so unique. So order of G you get unique 5 Silo subgroup, and unique 3 Silo subgroup. So friends, it's proof that both are normal. Must remember, friends, this is very very important. Then unique Silo subgroup means normal subgroup. So all subgroups are normal if all subgroups are normal subgroup. Normal subgroups possible only for abelian group, because we know that all subgroups of the abelian groups is normal subgroups. That's why order of G is 45 is abelian. Okay, if my logic is wrong by anything, any doubt, must remember, must comment this and must tell me. Okay, because whatever I know this is the concept. What is my concept? My concept is every abelian group, every subgroups of the abelian groups is normal subgroups. Therefore the group is also normal subgroup, and the group is also abelian. Otherwise it is not possible. There is some questions based on MCQ which is coming from competitive examinations like MSc entrance and CSIR NetGate. Okay, based on permutation groups, as I have taught some things on permutation groups, so there is on some questions. Okay, in the permutation group S6, number one is in the permutation group S6, the number of element of order 8 is S6. The number of element of order 8 is 0, 1, 2, 4. So friends, 6, there is question is 6 can be written how many way, friends? 4 plus 2, and LCM is 2. Okay, 2, no sorry, LCM is 4. And now if you see another way, that 8 does not divisible equals to 6. 8 does not divisible by 6. So there is no element, so number 0 is correct. Otherwise you can see that, you can check also 2 plus 2 plus 2, LCM is obviously 2, and this way you can see that no elements, and there is zero element, there is no element whose order is 8, okay, in a permutation group S6. Number 2 is 4. For n greater than equals to 1, let Sn tends to a permutation group. Which of following statements is true? S3 has an element of order 4. So friends, you see that note, important note that 1 note that if K does not divisible by order G, then G has no element of order K. If K, number 2, it is number, and if K divided by order G, then it is not necessary that G must have an element of order K. Okay, so this is the two factor. One factor is, if K does not divisible by order G, then G has no element of order K. But if K divisible by order G, then it is not necessary that G must have an element of order K. Okay friends, this is the main I use this concept, and after that they see that 3 order of Sn means n factorial, and order of S3 means 6, and now you will see that 4 does not divisible by 6. So S3 has an element, has no element, so it is wrong. Number B, in A I will check A, and number B if I will check number B, if I will check order of S4 is equal to 4 factorial means 24, and 6 divisible by 24. So there is a chance that order of element of the fold one. This is not necessary, friends. This is not necessary. Number C. C means C in case 5 does not divisible by 24. So S4 has no element of order 5. I use first conditions. After that and second condition is not necessary, so that I am not sure that B is correct. Okay, but A and C are false, I can easily say. And number D is 6. S5 means order of S5 is 120, and 6 divided by 120 divisible by 120. So my possibility is this and this. Both is possible. B and D is possible. And next I have to see another way. I have to draw some way that where I will see that it is possible or not. Okay, partitions. I will use partition process. S4. In case of S4, how can I can say S4 means 4. One possible is 4. So order is LCM 4 plus 0 means 4, only 4 elements. Okay, so order is 4. Order is 4. And another is 3 plus 1. So order will be 3. And size of conjugation class is not so much important. Yeah, size of conjugations is not so much important. And next I will go 2 plus 1 plus 1. Order is in here, what order is 2. So it is 4 3 2, but I have to prove that 6 is present or not. Okay, 6 is present or not. Number next is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So order is 1. Another process is 2 plus 2. So order will be 2. So I do not see my possible, I just use partition method and I see that no order is 6 according to me. And after that S5, I see that partition, this is a partition. Okay, I write partition and this is order. S5, in case of S5, partition is 5 and order should be 5. And after the 3 plus 2, order should be 6. So my 6 is coming in here, S5. So only D is correct and B is also false. So my answer is A and B. In question, from question 1 I get answer A 0, and from question 2 I get answer 5. So friends, this is very, very important permutation for permutation group questions. Now this question is coming from GATE 2018. Which one of the following statements is true? Every group of order 12 has a non-trivial proper normal subgroup. Some group of order 12 does not have a non-trivial proper normal subgroup. And every group of order 12 has a subgroup of order 6, and every group of order 12 has an element of order 12. So friends, before this, the question is non-trivial proper normal subgroups. So whatever you have to learn, non-trivial, trivial proper subgroup means this subgroup, this group is not simple. What is simple group, friends? Simple group, I will discuss before this question. To solve this question, I discuss some theory. Okay, simple group is a non-trivial group whose only normal subgroups are trivial. Whose only normal subgroups are non-trivial groups whose only normal subgroups are trivial. Okay, this is a simple. A group is not simple. A group is not simple can be broken into two smaller groups, namely a non-trivial normal subgroup. So non-trivial normal subgroups, it is, see, this means it is not simple. They ask that it is every group of order 12 has a non-trivial trivial proper normal subgroup, means it is not simple. Another question is some group of order 12 does not have non-trivial proper normal subgroup. Does not have a non-trivial proper subgroup means this is simple subgroups. So friends, before this question I just discussed that order of G is 12, and this is the possibility of this group. One should be abelian group, another should be non-abelian group. Two possibility, and you all know that in case of non-abelian group that every one of the result, we know all this result, that every non-abelian group less than 60 is not simple. So friends, easily prove that it is therefore non-trivial subgroup is present. That means non-trivial subgroup is present. Trivial subgroup is present. And in case of abelian group, Lagrange's theorem, according to the Lagrange's theorem, subgroup should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12, and you see that 1 is not possible subgroup and 12 is not possible because if subgroup order is 1 and 12 then it is trivial. So 2 and 3, 4, 6 should be normal subgroups. But according to the theory abelian groups, that every subgroup of the abelian group is normal subgroup. Therefore that non-trivial proper normal subgroup is present. Every group is present. And number B is wrong because A is correct. And number C, every group of order 12 has a subgroup of order 6. Every group of order 12 has a subgroup of order 6. So friends, order of G should be this way: Z12, D6, Z2 into Z6 and A4 and another. So if I take A4, order of A4, then whatever subgroup I can get, A4 means order of A4 means 12, and you can get A4 is A4 itself, another one of the subgroup, and you can get another is K4, order is 12, and K4 order is order of K4 is 4, and another is I. So you cannot get any subgroup whose order is 6. Number D, you say that order 12 has an element of order 12. Has an element means I take A4 A4 partitions, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So number of element of these subgroups is 1. If I take 2 plus 2, order of LCM is 2 and another is 4. So friends, we see that 3 plus 1 then 3. We do not see that order has an element of order 12. So number D is also wrong. So my answer is only A is correct.